Whenever we implement fibers in a manufacturing company, we generally see the benefits like we'll get more space, things are more organized, so it's easy for people to without searching they can identify the products, and daily cleaning will happen, standardization will happen. So there are a lot of these benefits for the companies. But apart from these regular benefits, we are also seeing a lot of productivity and quality improvements when we implement fibers in companies. And today in this particular video, we are going to share one of our case studies from an integrated mill which has spinning, weaving and dyeing. And this particular unit is based in Erode in Tamil Nadu, and we have implemented fibers for the last 1.5 years, and there are a lot of benefits, and some of the benefits only I am going to share in this particular video. So come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anand, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner, and in this video we are going to talk about the benefits which we got from implementing fibers in one of our clients' place. And the general benefits are like space creation, reduction in searching time, clean and safe workplace, and work standardization, etc. That happened. But in this video we are going to talk about productivity and quality improvements, specifically in terms of cost reduction, etc. The first one is productivity improvement. The ring frames were cleaned properly during third phase, and now there is a my machine my area concept which is being implemented, and people are now taking ownership for the machine. So every day there is a cleaning, and there are a lot of areas inside the machine, right, where a lot of these the gears and moving rotating parts, all those things are cleaned properly, and now the machines are running at 19,000 rpm. Earlier they were running at 17,000 rpm only, and there is an improvement of about 11% after implementing fibers in this particular unit. Similarly, vortex machine drafting area and bottom apron cleaning in the vortex machine, right, and it is also being cleaned properly, and people are now taking ownership. And earlier the vortex efficiency was about 94%, and now it is 98.5%, and the creel brakes also reduced from 3.5 to 2.5. And earlier the company was getting an output of about 380 GPS grams per spindle, and now they have crossed about 420 GPS. And this is the impact of the fibers in terms of productivity. And coming to power saving, the leakages in the compressed air lines were all fixed, and regular cleaning of the entire pipeline and also the compressor machines are all done. And earlier the compressor was running at 6.7 bar, and now it runs at 6.2 bar. So because of this, there is a saving of about 3,000 rupees per day, and it translates to about 9 lakh rupees per year. Similarly, the vortex suction pressure is also now reduced after all the cleaning and the regular maintenance. And earlier it was running at 50 units, and now it is running at 45 units. So there is a saving of about 1,500 rupees per day, and this translates to about 4.5 lakhs per year. Coming to quality, the roller eccentricity was earlier between 9 thou to 12 thou, and now it has reduced to 3 thou. And because of this, the breakdowns or the yarn breakages have reduced, and we are seeing about 25% of reduction in the breakages. And these are some of the benefits which we got from the client. And before we go to the before and after photos, right, I am just sharing a few photos, not a lot of photos because of our confidentiality. But before we look at some of the pictures of the implementation, if you like this particular video, please give a like and also subscribe to our channel, and you can also click the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you'll get a notification. You can share it with your industry contacts and your bosses and your team members, so that they can also learn about the benefits of fibers in the workplace. And these are all some of the before and after pictures of the unit. This is a winding machine, before and after the regular cleaning. This is again completely done by the team members, right? They take ownership and they start cleaning this. And some of the tools, right, and before and after. And this is a spinning unit maintenance room. Earlier it used to be looking like this, and after cleaning and after organizing the unit is like this. So these are some of the pictures we wanted to share, and thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in implementing fibers or lean in your company, you can always contact us. We'll be able to help you. So thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. See you. Bye bye.